so exciting to be here at Computex this week. It is just happening. I think it's the biggest crowd they've ever had, and there's everywhere you look, there's innovation and new ideas and excitement and energy. It is just really fun. And of course, AI is everywhere. So AI is accelerating growth, and it is really showing up here at Computex this week. My name is Sue Ryan. I'm the VP of Marketing at Frore Systems, and we do thermal solutions. So our mission is to unleash the performance of devices constrained by heat. And as AI is coming into the market, everything needs higher performance. And of course, as you add performance, it increases power. And as you increase power, inevitably it increases heat. So there is a growing demand in line with the increase for AI performance is a similar line for the increase in heat generated, and that's what Frore Systems is here to help with. So we have two products. We were established about 8 years ago. We've been out of stealth for 4 years. This is our fourth Computex, so we love it and we keep coming back and it just keeps getting bigger and better. But so we initially came out with a very small product, I've got one here, called AirJet. So this is the AirJet Mini G2, and this actually won a Best Choice Award this year that we're very proud of. And the purpose of that is to efficiently remove heat. So it's a completely new generation of cooling. Most thermal engineers are used to heat sinks and fans. The problem with that is they're bulky and they're noisy and they're not very reliable because they get dust in the system and they break down. This little chip, which is only 2.65 millimeters thick, enables thinner, lighter, faster, silent, vibration-free, water-resistant and dust-proof devices. And in our showroom, we have a whole host of those showing how we've reduced the size of devices while still maintaining the increased performance needed for AI. The second product that we have, which we have now brought into the market as of last year, is called LiquidJet. And it's LiquidJet is for cooling GPUs. So the NVIDIA GPU, all the customized ones being built by hyperscalers. Because again, as we go from Blackwell to Rubin to Feynman, the performance is going up and up, and every time performance goes up, you need better cooling. So the LiquidJet is actually a cold plate that's been tested by an independent ODM here in Taiwan, and it can keep GPUs 6 degrees cooler. That translates into 10% more AI tokens per second. And when you extrapolate that out to the size of a data center, that becomes a lot of money. So we're really excited about this. We're engaged with a lot of hyperscalers. Here at Computex, we've been talking to people, we've got live demos, we've been showing them exactly how this performs and how it removes more heat. The way that it removes more heat is it's actually very different from the traditional skived cold plate in the way that it's made. So we use semiconductor manufacturing processes to make the LiquidJet, and that basically now allows us to have short loop jet channels. So the liquid is really in touch with the heat source for a very short period of time, and that optimizes how much heat we can remove, and that's why we can get that 6 degrees extra, because we can customize the exact heat removal to the power map of the GPU. Then the next innovation that is also here is LiquidJet Nexus. So LiquidJet Nexus is a half-U cooling solution that integrates 6 LiquidJets into a vertical half-U solution that completely eliminates pipes, hoses, connectors, increases efficiency, decreases weight by 50%, and enables the future vertical installation of cooling for the next generation of NVIDIA chips like Kyber. So that's basically what we're doing here. It's been so great to connect with everybody who comes to Computex, and like I said, it has grown, it's exploded here. So we've been seeing lots of customers, lots of partners, we've been getting lots of coverage from the media. So it really is, this is one of our anchor shows that we do every year. We're going to be back again next year for sure. And we're just having a ball. So hopefully we'll see you next year at Computex here in Taiwan.